is the perfect recipe to create your budget for 2024. Watch till the end. नमस्कार, कुकिंग विद FJ मनीषा में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम बनाने वाले हैं the perfect budget for your 2024. Follow this budgeting strategy for the best results. Let's begin. The first step before cooking any meal is the preparation. Similarly, before creating a budget for the new year, it is important to look back at how the previous year was. Analyze last year's favorite dish to understand your spending habits and give yourself a good starting point. Allocate your ingredients strategically. It's like adding salt to your recipe. Ekdam swad anusar. 1 tablespoon of buying health insurance, a finely chopped investment plan, and a bowl of fresh multiple sources of income. And don't forget to keep tasting. Spend some time monthly or quarterly to review and adjust your servings. Finally, let the pot simmer on low for a long time. Stick to the budget and soon you will reap the delicious rewards. And there you have it, the perfect recipe to cook up a tasty budget. How do you plan your yearly budget? Let me know in the comments. And for more such tips, tricks and hacks, FJ Moneysha hai hamesha. Follow FJ Moneysha to make better money choices.